So usually what I'll do in the morning to start it up, I'll hit the key. This is like a dead man switch. And then I'll climb up these stairs, get in the cab. I was just putting death in my engine. That's the only reason the hood is up. Hold on. Okay. But my truck's already on, but what you'll do is you'll just turn the key on. You have to wait a little bit as far as getting it warmed up. Again, my truck's already been on for like 30 minutes. So, but once it warms up, you'll mash the gas, pushing this button, throw it in drive. So you got reverse. That's when your reverse camera comes on. You got neutral, you got drive. Now drive 2 and 1, those are for like different type of hills you're climbing. But for the most part, you don't ever have to worry about putting it in there. Just keep your truck always in drive. Now these little switches over here, these are for the lights. This is for the dump truck. This is your emergency thing. But all I use to dump my dirt out of the bed of the truck is this. Up this way is to lift it up, push it down to bring it back down. And you got your dashboard right here. Now and you'll just basically drive on the dirt roads. The only reason that little alarm is going off is because I don't have my seatbelt. Just trying to make you a quick video. But they stress about wearing your seatbelt, so I should probably put that on. Hold on. Let me slow down. Alright, got my seatbelt back on now. Now I can drive. There we go. Gotta fix my seat. When you're coming to turns like this, just be aware that you got people driving dump trucks and their trailers to take to the landfill. Looks like I'm good. Go down here towards the bottom of the pit. You got the man on the excavator, he's making his way down there. Then you got your other dump truck. If you come on this site, it'll be Anderson, me, and then you driving these dump trucks. Another thing is best just to kind of see the tracks, just because it's sand. It's best just to follow the tracks or stay in the tracks that the previous driver drove through.